Hola Jorge, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I happen to be doing research in your area and I came across your business and I wanted to show you a few things that you can start doing today to start beating your competitors online and getting more business for yourself. And so if you like what you see here, just give me a call and we can chat. But if not, no harm, no foul, because you can take these tips and use them for yourself. All I ask is for a little bit of feedback on this. So let's go ahead and get started here. Normally I start with a website. I see that you don't currently have a website, but that's okay. We're just going to go through it as if you do. When you do have a website here, you want something that's called keywords on your site. So keyword, one example would be Monroe LA Remodel. I see that's one of the services that you provide. And so whenever your future customers are typing this in, the first thing that populates are ads. And so you can see these ads here. Ads can be a great tool whenever utilized properly to increase your business, but for now we are going to scroll right past them. And this is what's called the organic listing here. So in the organic listing, this is where your website would be ranking. And 60 to 70% of business goes into this organic listing here. If we scroll down here, right in the middle, this is what's called the Google Map Pack section. So the remaining 30 to 40% of business goes into this Google Map Pack section. And so the way that you outrank your competitors here, you do want to be in the top 3, so you're getting the majority of that 30 to 40% of business, would be to have a Google business profile. And so with a quick search here, I was not finding a Google business profile that applies to you and your business. These are free, so I definitely recommend going into Google, getting your own Google business profile, and then the way that you start ranking it would be to completely optimize it. So you would have your business name here, you would have your phone number here, have your address, have this be completely filled out, including this little section here, and then you want those citations. So I see that you gave us a citation here for your business, and so this is exactly what you would want. You would want everything on this page here to match your Google business profile, because then Google will start seeing that you have more trustworthiness and more authority, and then that way you can start ranking yourself if you have more citations than your competitors here, and get your share of this 30 to 40% of business here. And if we scroll down here, we are back into that organic listing where your website would be ranking. And then now we're at the bottom of that first page here. So over 90% of people stay on the first page, so that's where a lot of the business goes into. So you're really missing out on getting more business for yourself by not having a website that's ranking and not having a Google business profile that is ranking as well. And so with those two things here, you can get a lot of business for yourself. And something that we can do whenever you do have a website, I went ahead and plugged that directory that you gave us in here just to show you we can do the exact same thing with your website. You're getting some power from that US directory here, but we can see here that there's not any traffic going to your page here. So I'm going to go on over to the #1 ranking business for the Monroe LA Remodel just to show you who you would need to beat for that keyword. So I have their website plugged in here. They have these ratings here that represent the authority and the trustworthiness of every single website. They have 1.3 and 6. What makes up their ratings are these 12 backlinks that they have, and these backlinks are coming from 7 referring domains. So all a backlink is, it's one website linking to another one, kind of like a shout out. And so you want to have high quality backlinks to boost your ratings above your competitors so that it is going up above on that Google search result there, and that more people are finding your website. You do want to make sure there are spammy backlinks that will bring these numbers down, so you want to stay away from those. Something that goes hand in hand with these ratings are keywords. And so your competitor, they have 40 keywords on their site, And this helps make sure that you're ranking for what you would actually want to be found for. So the services that you provide, your remodeling services, your roofing services in those cities that you service. That way you can show up at the top for what you actually provide. I recommend what's called buyer intent so that you're getting quality people, qualified leads landing on your site from the beginning. And this is vital because the more people that are landing on your website, the more people that convert to your customers there. So something that we can do is we can take a look at every single backlink that your competitors has and then link that to your website, because if it is working for them to rank, it would also work for you. And we can take a look at all of their keywords as well. So 318 Construction, we can see some of the keywords that are on their site. They're not ranking for most of these here, so they could be getting a lot more traffic. But this just shows you that there is opportunity for yourself. So Roofers Monroe, 70 people are searching every single month. Roofing Monroe, 70 people. Monroe Contractor, 70, 90, Roofing 30. And we can see here that this list keeps going here. So we'd want to get these good quality keywords on your website, you ranking for them, as well as all of your remodeling keywords as well, so that you are getting more customers for yourself. So I hope that this short video was helpful for you. I look forward to hearing that feedback, and I really appreciate you taking the time to watch. Thanks.